Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Guys, I just hit 2,300 subs. Holy shit. There's 2,300 of you guys watching my videos. That is so crazy. Thank you all so much for supporting me and watching my weak-ass videos. You are all amazing. In today's video, I thought I'd show you guys the 3 ways that I wash my car. So every time I wash my car, I do use the double bucket method. So that's pretty much, you have 1 bucket soap and water and another bucket just clean water. The reason for that is when you're washing your car and you're using a sponge or whatever it is, you collect debris and dirt and dust and all this stuff on your sponge. So basically the clean water is so that you can dip it in there and get all of that out and pretty much trap it at the bottom. And then going back into your soap bucket with no dirt, no debris, none of that. And if there is, it's very minimal. So I normally use Chemical Guys black shampoo because it's so good on black cars. I ran out, unfortunately, and all I have is Meguiar's Gold Class. So we're just gonna substitute it with that. Still pretty good, but I recommend Chemical Guys. They are the shit. So let's go ahead and pour some soap. So since this is very soapy and you can't tell how much water you put in there until it simmers down, but it usually doesn't, what I like to do is get my clean water and dump it all in there. So you still have all of this foam, but you still get a lot of water. And then if you want, you can just top it off with some more water. Should be good. So when you're done, it should look a little something like that. Now we can wet the car. So once you're done wetting the car, you can grab your clean sponge. I use the Chanel from Chemical Guys. This thing is awesome. You don't want to wet it, put it in some soap. Most people think you're supposed to do circular motion. Definitely not. That's how you get swirl marks. You're gonna want to go side, up, and just repeat this motion until you get whatever panel it is that you're doing. And I mean, sometimes you can get a little bit lazy. You don't have to be like super anal about it. You can kind of just, as long as you're not doing circular motions, you'll be golden. That was not my best idea. Have you guys ever just been so over it? Like, I think I came up with a faster way to wash my car. Yay! All right, now that the car is all soaped up, we can go ahead and rinse it. So we have a special guest. Look how filthy my dad's car is. You guys see this? What a shame, such a great color too. But since I'm already washing my car, I'm gonna go ahead and wash his too. Oh yeah. Looking nice and clean. So the way that I dry it, some of you guys may do it differently. I always get a big microfiber and lay it on the biggest parts of the car, the hood, the roof. So you'll lay it flat like this. You pretty much just pull. That's it. Lay it down again. And you normally pull with both hands, but you just basically pull and that's it. Always use a microfiber. So you're only using this to get the big spots, doors, windshields, roof, and then from there you can get the little microfibers and do more of a spot-on dry. So for drying, you're gonna wanna use the same technique as well. Just go across, down, side, across again. No circular motion ever. Now we're spot drying with the disposable microfibers, just because I have a butt ton of these, and it's just easier to get little spots. I also use this to quick detail as well. All right guys, so I finished drying both of the cars. They look absolutely clean, but there's still a couple more things I need to do, and that is to clean my wheels. I don't know why, but when I'm done with the car wash, I personally like to wash each individual wheel. Same method, 2 buckets, but instead of a sponge, we are gonna use microfiber and 2 microfibers up there. You're gonna use that one for soap. You're gonna use one of them as just a wet cloth, and then one is dry. First things first, you're gonna wanna get one microfiber towel, wet it, and kind of just splash the wheel, get it wet. Once you're done with that, get another microfiber, put it in the soap. You're just gonna clean it like normal. It's more of a detail wash. Once you think you're good enough with that, another method that I like to do with these lipped wheels is you kind of just stick it here and you squeeze, and it all just rolls down, all the soap. Once you're done with that, put that back in, and we are going to dry. So once you guys are done with that, it should look like this. I don't use any crazy polish on my wheels. I just like to hand wash them. That's pretty much it. Car's looking awesome. Wheels are freaking super clean. I got my dad's car shining too. Damn, I love this color. I want to wrap my car this color someday. Now that we're done with washing the whole car, if you really want to get bougie, you can go ahead and use this ultimate quick detailer. If you see water spots that you just really want to shine, spray this on, use a microfiber, wipe, and then flip the microfiber, and then wipe it on the dry side, and it'll shine like crazy. Let me show you guys real quick. Just gonna want to wipe the same exact way. Flip to the dry side. Look at that. Perfect. I think this is a really good way to take care of your carbon fiber hood, you know, before the clear gets messed up in the long run. Then you have to paint match it. There's actually one last thing I need to add to complete this car wash. And that is a Smellables air freshener. Oh. This is Thor's hammer. It's so freaking tight and it smells freaking amazing. And it's two-tone, just like lightning. And if you guys are wondering what the smell is, it is pine. So it smells so fresh. Feeling like the god of thunder right now. I love how you could just see it from the outside. And that is it. That is gonna complete the first method on how I wash my car. This is my most preferred method because you're doing it yourself and you can spend as much time as you want. And I know not a lot of you have the luxury of washing your car at home, or you know, you live in an apartment complex and it's just not possible to wash it, or you know, any of those things. So that's pretty much going to lead me into my second method. Second way you can wash your car at a self-wash. So the first thing I want to do is have it set to rinse, put in 3 bottles. This is the most important, the foam brush. No! I live so close, I get to go home and use my leaf blower to dry this shit off. Alright guys, so that's the second way you can wash your car. I don't recommend it, but if you need a quick wash, you can just go spend like $6, dry it yourself there or at home. It's mainly for like a photo shoot that you have coming up or something, just for like quick rinse for the day. But if you really want to wash your car, this isn't the best method, but it's quick. But yeah, there's still like tiny little marks, a couple watermarks, like right here. But it looks good on camera. That's all that matters. There's actually one last thing you have to do at the end of every car wash, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. You absolutely need to put an air freshener. This one is from my buddy's company, Smellables. Check it out. Link is gonna be in the description below, and it's Dragonite and Daenerys from Game of Thrones. I know you guys know both of these characters. This one is called Dagonite. We're gonna go put it in my car. This thing is so freaking cute. Now it doesn't smell as Asian in here, thanks to Smellables. And if you guys are wondering what the scent is, it's mango, and it smells so damn good. It's not like too sweet to where it's overpowering, but it smells clean and just refreshing. I love how you can just see a little ass Dragonite chilling in my windshield. Why have one when you can have them all? Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys the third way you can wash your car, and that's having someone else do it for you.
Oh! Would you like a car wash, mister? That'll be $17.50.
There you guys have it. Those are the 3 ways that I get my car washed, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure George and Balt had so much fun throwing water balloons at my car. I wish I could have thrown some, but someone had to film, you know? Thank you for subscribing. We're at over 3,000 subs now. When I first filmed this video, I was at 2,300. Holy shit, you guys are amazing. Now we're really on the road to 5,000. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh.